reimbursement requests. Applying discounts. The system allows discounts to be applied at multiple levels. You can apply line item discounts for specific services or products, invoice-level discounts applied to the entire bill. Each line item price can also be manually adjusted directly in the billing card. When a price is manually modified, the background of that item will turn light orange, indicating that the price has been overridden. Hovering over the item will display the original price from the service catalog or inventory batch. On the printed invoice, the original price will appear crossed out, with the new discounted price shown beside it. You can also apply a fixed discount amount or a percentage discount to the entire invoice.